Welcome to this tutorial on how to view your training history, access your transcripts, and print your diplomas and certificates. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard or front page. If you've earned any IFSAC certificates, they'll appear under the Certificates tab. To print one, simply click Print Certificate. The document will open in a new window where you can use your browser's print function or Control-P on your keyboard to print it. Please note, if you're using a mobile device or experiencing issues, the certificate print function may not work properly. For the best experience, we recommend accessing the site from a desktop computer using a PC. To view your training transcripts and additional class records, navigate to the Training History section. Click on All Completed Training to see a list of every course you've completed. For any course that offers a diploma, you'll see a print button on the right. Click this to access both your transcript and diploma options. Your transcript will open in a printable format. If you'd like to print a diploma for a specific course, select the corresponding diploma button, and it will open in a new window as well. To return to the main dashboard, simply click the Back button. Lastly, keep in mind that non-IFSAC classes, while still recorded, will not appear under the Certifications tab. These courses can still be viewed and printed from your training history but are not eligible for IFSAC certification. And that concludes this tutorial.